So I haven't filmed in a very long time. This morning I thought I would just film a quick makeup video. I'm just about to do my makeup anyway and take some photos of some outfits that I'm selling. A lot of you always ask what I use. So yeah, I'll just show you. I'll just do maybe like a voiceover, or I'll put the products on the screen that I use. Then you'll know what it is and you'll know where to find it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you're all doing very well. I know I haven't been very active lately, but I'm just going to do a simple makeup video. Okay, so I'm actually in love with this primer. It's from a brand called The Ordinary and it's so cheap, but it just makes your skin feel so smooth, and it also minimizes your pores as well. I'd probably say that this primer actually beats any primer that I've ever used. And just quickly, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. These are products that I've been using for years, and I actually feel like my makeup bag is pretty basic, but everyone asks me what I use, so here is everything that I use every day. Yeah, super basic, but I definitely want to learn about products myself. So if you know of any good makeup channels to follow, then please definitely link them below, because I'd love to have a look. I do want to learn how to do my makeup better and actually know techniques. As you see in this video, my eyeshadow technique is not very good. It's literally grab a brush and put it on and blend it a bit, and that's it. So yeah, I definitely want to learn, so please link below some good channels. So this palette I got from Australis. It was $25, which I don't think is too bad because you actually get quite a lot of colors. The only downside to it is it's not super pigmented. So I'd say it's more of like a daytime look. I guess like you can layer it up, put more on, use darker colors for going out at night, but it's not the best for a nighttime look, I don't think. But it does the job for what I want day to day. Okay, so the gold brush that I use next is from Iconic London. I'm obsessed with their brand. It's absolutely amazing. I don't think they actually sell those brushes anymore. I think they might have a different type of them, but they're for contouring and I love them so much. And I also use the cream contour kit from them as well. So my friend actually got me onto this powder. I picked her up one day and her skin looked so flawless and I wanted to know why. And this trick is literally $10. Well, it's not really a trick, it's literally just a product, but yeah, it does the trick. Like, it's so amazing on the skin. It makes you look so matte and flawless, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm using the shade Natural. I think they have a few different shades, and I find it's better to not go too dark with this and have a similar tone to your skin and your foundation. Okay, so here I'm using the lip liner from MAC and it's called Well. I honestly get questioned on this color so much. So here it is. You can get it in a lipstick, but I always use the lip liner because I just find it's easier to color in my whole lips with that, so that I just like don't go over the edges, because for some reason lipsticks and me do not go together. So this is another amazing product from Iconic London. I've had this highlighter palette for so long, it lasts ages. I love it so much and it sits so nicely on my makeup. It doesn't look cakey or anything. It blends in quite nicely. I do have a liquid highlighter from, I think it's Zoeva, which I really like. I didn't use that today, but I might use that in another video. Let me know if you actually enjoyed this video, because I have no idea. This is my first ever makeup video, But yeah, if I do another one, I'll use the liquid one. Okay, so I just finished my makeup and I'm about to get my outfits ready, and I will do a little photo shoot. So I might as well just show you the pictures I take if they turn out good, and I'll put my Depop below, so if you want any of these outfits then you can head there and get them. Sorry to interrupt you, I'm currently editing this video, but I just wanted to say I'm not using Depop anymore because they actually take so much money per item that I sell. So instead of giving the money to them, I'd rather take the money off of the item for you so that you get it cheaper. So I've actually started a Instagram account where I'll post all my secondhand clothes and all the brand new clothes. So yeah, you can just head over there and get them. Literally just message me on there with the items that you want to buy, and I'll send you an invoice on PayPal, and then I only have to pay the PayPal fees and not the huge Depop fees because it's ridiculous. So the reason I'm doing this is because obviously everyone is struggling right now because of the coronavirus and everything. So my business is not that great right now and I'm struggling a little bit, so I need to find like a side hustle kind of thing, just to keep me going and just to make sure that I can save up and be able to go home and visit my family once the borders open. Because if you're not aware, I live in Australia on my own and all my family are in England, so it's a really hard time for me right now. So I'm just trying all I can to be able to save up so I can actually go home. And I got some really big news the other day as well. Yeah, hopefully everything's back to normal soon and I can fly home because I have no idea what's happening right now. But yeah, this is the reason I've started Depop, and hopefully it goes well for me and I can use it as an income, like a job. Yeah, because like I said, my business is not going too well right now. But yeah, anyways, I am going to get busy and take some photos.